Welcome to Tech Tuesday. Myself Divyesh, working as a software development engineer with Cloud Assert, and I'm in the part of HYBR core team. In the last series, we have seen about VM discovery and migration in HYBR, and in this series, we are going to see about CSP module in HYBR. And in this particular session, we are going to see about CSP admin account onboarding in the HYBR admin experience portal. So we are in the HYBR admin experience, and we are under the navigation cloud services and in the tab account. We are going to see what are the configurations that we need to provide in order to establish the connection, so which the tenant users will be able to purchase the Microsoft products. After the enforcement of multi-factor authentication by Microsoft, all the CSP admin accounts needs to be enable the multi-factor authentication. In considering this fact, a HYBR admin experience provides the capability to add the CSP admin account with or without the MFA enabled account. So for now, we are going to see both the features, like once the MFA is enabled or MFA is disabled, how the admin can add their account in the CSP, so which the tenant user or the end user will be able to purchase the Microsoft products through HYBR. So this is the account screen where we can configure our CSP admin account. So we have many informations like the application ID, application secret, and some of the pre-configured informations like the authority endpoint, domain will be there in the particular wizard, and we need to configure the remaining fields. First, we need to get this application ID. So I am now navigating to my partner center portal. So here we need to go to user management. In the user management navigation, we can go to app management. Here we will be able to see the list of applications that is configured for this particular partner center account. We have two different types of application. One is the web application and another one is the native application. For the non-MFA enabled account, we need to provide the native application ID, and if the account is enabled with the MFA, we need to provide the web application ID. So first we will take this native app, as my account is not enabled with MFA, and we need to provide that application ID. And as the native app does not have the application secret, we can provide the same in the application secret column. And these are all the pre-filled configurations that is provided by the HYBR, so which can be remain as it is. And we need to provide the admin account in the username field. Even we can provide the account with similar capability like the billing admin or the customer service admin or the actual CSP admin account here. And we need to provide the admin account's password in this particular field. And these are all the some other pre-filled informations like the resource URL and the redirect URL. And we need to provide the market, language, and culture where we have access to for this particular CSP admin user. And once we have given the information, and the screen is successfully saved, and we will be able to see the list of customers that we have already onboard in the CSP in our HYBR admin experience. So these are all some of the CSP customers that we have already onboard in the CSP sandbox account. Similarly, we can see the list of other informations that we need to give for the MFA enabled account. As we saw earlier, for the MFA enabled account, we need to provide the application ID from the web application category. And in order to fetch this particular application secret, we can use this particular table, like we need to add a key which has the expiry duration of 1 or 2 years. And once we have added a new key, the secret will be visible over here. We need to copy this particular key and we can give it in the application secret area. And the other authority endpoint and the domain will be the same, and the admin account and the admin password will be remains the same. And we need to change the redirect URL. We need to provide our HYBR admin URL as a redirect URL. So once we save this particular wizard, we will be taken to a Microsoft landing page where we need to provide the multi-factor authentication, which may be a code which sent over SMS or over email, or it may be an application where we need to verify our identity. So as this is a non-MFA account, I'm not going to save it. If it's an MFA enabled account, we can perform this configuration and we can save this, which will take us to the Microsoft landing page where we need to authenticate our second factor authentication enabled. And that will be the similar experience for the customers or the customer profiles, whereas he will be able to see the list of customers that he have onboarded in the CSP account will be able to see in this particular customer's screen. So pretty much we have covered the onboard process for the CSP admin account. In the upcoming series, we are going to see about how we can onboard our CSP customers into a HYBR tenant experience and how they are going to purchase our Microsoft products and how they are going to manage the purchased subscriptions through HYBR. For any queries, please contact support@cloudassert.com. Thank you.